Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the beginner tutorial for Nano Banana AI. So if you want to create stunning AI photos but don't know where to start, let me show you how you can use Nano Banana AI in 2025 step by step. So Nano Banana is a part of Google Gemini AI and it is one of the most powerful AI image generators. So even if you're a complete beginner, this tutorial will make it super easy how you can use the AI. So to access Nano Banana, you can just open Google Gemini, or you can also use Google AI Studio in here and log in with your Google account and choose this one in here. Try Nano Banana, the Gemini 2.5 Plus image. So click on this one. And then you can just write your first prompt. So for example, in here, I'm going to just generate an image of a cute anime cat wearing sunglasses in pastel colors with soft lighting. So you can also add details like the style, mood, background, and quality keywords. You can also use aspect ratio. You can go with 16 by 9 for wide, 1 by 1 for square, and 9 by 16 for portrait. So you can just click on this run prompt to generate the image, and you can just wait for a few seconds while Nano Banana creates multiple versions. Okay, so here is the result. You can just select the image to view it in full size, and you can click on this arrow down to download the result. So you can also use emoji for font styles, and you can start with a simple prompts and then add detail as you get comfortable, and save your best prompt to reuse later. And that's it. You've just learned the Nano Banana beginner tutorial for 2025. Now you can create unlimited amazing AI photos with ease. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye!